What's the meaning of busybody? Busybody. Busybody.
Busybody. Busybody. Busybody is a term used to describe a person who interferes in other people's affairs or concerns themselves excessively with matters that do not involve them. Such people are often seen as meddlesome, nosy, and intrusive, and may be disliked by others for their prying ways. Busybodies tend to involve themselves in matters that do not concern them, demonstrate a lack of boundaries, and may cause friction and resentment. They may also create unnecessary drama and tension in social situations by overstepping boundaries and interfering with the normal course of events. In short, a busybody is someone who can't resist meddling in other people's business, even when it's not appropriate.